Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with episodes. So here we have the season, and this season has 4 episodes, and first thing I see here, we display the season name, not the episode's name. So in the VS Code, open the show inside the seasons, and here we need to say episodes, episode name. Okay, come here and refresh. Yeah, now we have the episode's name. Now if I click, we don't go anywhere. For that, we need to fix that. Okay, first I'm going to open the web routes, and here we have a series. I'm going to copy this cast controller and paste it here. And I'm going to say episodes and the episode slug. So first I'm going to go in the episodes, and we don't have the episodes slug, we have the name, and we don't have a slug here. Yeah, we have a slug, sorry. So episode slug, and close it in. The controller is going to be the serial controller, and the method is going to be show episode. Okay, and the name episode dot show. Okay, save this one. And now in the show blade of the seasons, I'm going to say not right here, so after the slot, anchor tag with href, and say road episode show, and we need to paste here the episode slug. So episode slug. Okay, close the anchor tag here, and also the same thing here. And I'm going to copy this and paste in the episode name that anchor tag as well. Hit save and go to the browser, refresh. Undefined. Yeah, I have. We need episode. Okay. Now if we go here, we can click to the episodes. And yeah, we don't have the show episode method in the serial controller, so open that. Serial controller, and create that function with name show episode, and we expect the episode here. Import the episode, and here now I'm going to do the same thing we have done here. So copy this and paste down there. Just we need to say latest, and season is going to be episode without count. We don't need that. Just order by created at and take 9. Okay, and return the view episodes.show, and we need to paste here only the episode. Okay, like this. and hit save. Now we need to go inside the resources, views, and create new folder here. I'm going to name it episodes, and inside the episodes folder, new file, name it show.blade.php. Okay, and I'm going to copy what we have in the movies, show blade, select all, copy, and paste it here. And we need to make some changes. Here we need the episode. So if we have episode, and inside here, the poster is going to be episode, season, poster path. Okay, we have episode name, not title. So inside here, episode name. Also we have, I'm going to say the season. So what we have in season, yeah, season name instead of here. And so I'm going to remove this. And here I'm going to say $sign episode season name. Okay, this one we don't need. And for the trailers, we don't have a trailer, but you can fix the same thing with we have done with movies. Okay, so I'm going to leave it. So for each movie, sorry, for each season episode trailers, save, and first open that episode models, and we need to open so the movie model and copy that method. Is going to be the same thing, so copy this one and paste it in the episodes. Okay, and also here the episode overview, and we don't have a cast, so I don't want that cast here. I remove this, and I'm going to say latest episodes. Okay, and select this and say latest episode. Just here we need to say season poster path, and also remove the tags. Come here, go to the browser, refresh, and yeah, we don't have episodes right now. So we have the title, the season, and also I want to display the trailers. So if we go to the dashboard and series, season, well, this doesn't have this one, episodes, and in the edit, yeah, we don't have a trailer. The same thing for the movies. So we can in the next video I'm going to add trailers to the episodes because I have forget. And also here in the welcome, open the welcome blade, and when we have episodes, we need to say here the road episode show and pasted the episode slug and copy this and paste it here. Okay, save, go to the browser, refresh, and now if I click here, we go to the episode. Okay friends, hope you enjoy and see you in the next video. All the best friends.